Okay, I haven't seen any official Spider-Man No Way Home poster made only for the 3 Spider-Man. So I'm gonna be making one. And I'm gonna be using the new Spider-Man 2 video game that recently came out to PlayStation 5 to generate my own Spider-Man stock images. It has a cool photo mode in which I can literally stop anywhere in the game, rotate around, play around with the lighting, and take a super high resolution image that I can cut out to make a super cool poster later on in Photoshop. So let's open Photoshop and let's get started. Okay, let's cut out Toby using the good old pen tool. Okay, I'm gonna skip this part because I didn't realize how long this is gonna take. Then let's cut out Tom and Andrew. Let's place them on the canvas, distribute them and resize them based on their heights. Okay, I'm putting Toby in front because I really think this movie should have amped Toby a little bit more and he should be the one leading the team. I feel like that since he's the most mature Spider-Man. Also, I think it would have been awesome to see Toby have some badass facial hair. I saw this on Reddit and it looks awesome to say the least. Now let's bring a Doctor Strange portal since he's a big part of the movie. Let's bring some atmosphere into the scene with a smoke brush. I have no idea why I decided to use this wall, to be honest, but I think it would kind of make sense in the end, so keep watching. Now let's bring a Doc Ock arm and make some color corrections. This will sort of be like a secondary focus point for the viewers to find all the hidden villains. And finally, let's bring our final villain, the Green Goblin. I'm gonna put him way far in the sky, maybe like way far in the clouds, and maybe bring a moon behind him to give him a little contrast so that he's easily visible. Let's do some quick highlights on the Goblin and let's give him a Gaussian blur. I made some final adjustments and introduced almost all the villains somehow, some a little subtle and some a little obvious. And after some camera filter, I think our poster is now complete. Oh, and one final thing, free Palestine.